Hey guys, how's it going? Today's dog of the day is going to be the Boston Red Sox, and here's the reason why. The starting pitcher is starting Sonny Gray. ERA is 2.61, and his win-loss record is 10-1. And he's going up against Nolan McLean, ERA 3.73, and win-loss record of 6-5. Obviously, Sonny Gray has the dominant pitching arm at 2.61. Now, the Red Sox are a dog because the Mets offense has been running hot, but my motto has the dominant arm of Sonny Gray overriding the hitting momentum of the Mets. So let's take a look at some of the scores for the last three games. Looks like yesterday the Red Sox defeated the White Sox 2-1, and then on the 8th they won 5-0, and on Tuesday they won 8-1. So they swept the White Sox. Now this year the White Sox aren't a bad team; they're actually pretty decent. So I think that's a big achievement. But let's take a look at the Mets. Looks like the Mets defeated the Royals 7-3. Then on Wednesday, 6-2. And on Tuesday, looks like they had a wild game. They lost 12-16 against the Royals. I think both pitching starters and even the bullpens on both sides really had a rough day. Um, the offensive output on Tuesday kind of makes me cautious about today's game. And obviously, looking at the scores, when comparing the two teams, the more offensive team is the Mets. But when offense meets defense, I'm going to choose the defense, um, which is the pitching in this case. I don't think we really need to go too much into this and overthink it. I think the Red Sox have been pretty decent, and we are looking at the dog of the day. So I think I'm just gonna leave it here, make it short. Um, all right, just to recap, our dog of the day is the Red Sox, and we're taking the money line at plus 105. I will see you guys later.